Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to complete projection of a plane for the given lamina. So the given problem statement is draw the projection of a circle 40 mm diameter resting on HP on a point on the circumference. Its plane inclined at 35 degree to the HP and the top view of the diameter AB making 40-degree inclination with the vertical plane. So in this case, first of all, we have to start with the top view projection. In that, we will get the true shape of that circle, and once we draw that, all the intermediate points we are going to transfer in a front view projection, so that we can have the horizontal lamina as a front view over there, and that we are going to rotate at an inclination of 35 degree with respect to horizontal plane. So let's start with the true shape of that given lamina. Go with the circle and diameter command. Just click over here. There you have to enter diameter is equals to 40. This drawn circle we have to divide into equal number of parts. So let me change this drawn circle to the object layer first. Select this, change it to the object layer. Now you have to go with the utility. There you will find point style. Another window will get pop up over the screen. Select this option. Now to select this point size equals to 2 and press OK button. After that you have to type divide command over the keyboard. Hit enter button. Select an object that we want to divide into equal number of segments. Here we are going to divide into 8 equal number of parts. So enter the number of segments is equals to 8 and hit enter button. Now we are able to see the divisions of that circle into 8 equal number of parts. Now once we have all those divisions into equal number of parts, the next thing is that we have to provide numbering in a top view projection. Go with the single line text. Select this corner point. Select text height 3. Rotation angle 0 degree. One cursor will blink over the screen and there you have to type point A. So just change this to the object layer first. Don't forget to change that object layer. Now this will be the point A, and if you just read the given problem statement carefully, the diameter AB they have given, so this will be the point A and this will be the point B, so that we can treat this as a diameter AB for this given lamina. Now these are the remaining intermediate points. To that we can provide numbering like this: point C, point D, point E, point F, this will be the point G and point H. Okay, now once we're done with this nomenclature, the next thing is that we have to transfer all those intermediate points in a front view projection. Again, go with the projection layer, select align command, transfer all these points in a front view. Okay, make sure that we have turned on this ortho mode command so that we can have exact vertical lines. Select this point. Similarly, draw a projection line from the point H as well. Again from the point G. Similarly from the point F and point B. Now once we transfer all those intermediate points in the front view, so in the front view we are going to show a horizontal lamina for this given circular plane, and we are going to connect all those intersecting points one by one as a segment, so that when we are going to rotate at an angle 35 degree, we are able to transfer all those intersecting points in a top view projection. So just change this to the object layer, go with the line command, select a line from this point to this point, similarly from this point to this point, this point to this point, again from this point to this point. Don't connect a line starting from this point to this point. Okay, otherwise we will not get these intermediate points while locating all these intersecting points in a top view projection. Again, just go with the single line text. Okay, select text height 3 and go on numbering these intersecting points. So this will be the point A. Okay, so that we have from top view projection. This will be the point C dash comma H dash. This will be the point D dash comma G dash. This will be the point E dash comma F dash, and this will be the end point of this diameter, nothing but the B dash. So I am going to write it over here. Similarly, you have to change this as well. This is nothing but the A dash. Okay, so we have mentioned it A initially. So this must be the A dash. So this will be the A dash point, C dash, H dash, again D dash, G dash, E dash, F dash, B dash over here. Okay. So in a top view projection we have given naming as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and in front view projection we have given it A dash, B dash, C dash like this. Okay. Now once we complete this front view projection, the same front view we are going to copy over here, and that we are going to rotate at an given inclination 35 degree. So just go with the copy command, select this drawn object in a front view along with its nomenclature, hit enter button, select this as a base reference point with we can shift to this required position like this. Okay. Now once we have those points, go with the rotate command, select this front view once again, hit enter button. Now with respect to this A dash point, we can rotate with respect to HP at an angle 35 degree. Okay, so make sure that we have turned off this ortho mode command, and there we are going to enter angle 35 degree like this. Now once we complete this second view, the next thing is that we have to transfer all those intersection points in a downward direction that we have over here in a front view, and whatever the points we have located in a true shape of this given lamina, that we are going to carry horizontally in this view. So just go with the projection layer, select a line command, transfer these points from the front view in a downward direction, turn on this ortho mode command, or you can press F8 for the shortcut. Again select this point C dash H dash, similarly point D dash G dash, again point E dash F dash, and at the end point B dash. Now once we complete all the vertical projections, we have to transfer the horizontal projection from the true shape by drawing the horizontal line like this. So over here we will get the intersection point A as well as B. Okay. So if you just look out for this line for the A dash and this horizontal line, we will get intersection point over here. Similarly for the point B dash, this will be the vertical projection line and this will be the horizontal projection line. So somewhat over here we will get that point B. Okay. Again complete the projection line for the point C and E, so that we will get over here for this line E dash. Again draw the projection line for the point D as well. Similarly draw the projection line for the point H and F, and again at the end point G. Now once we done with all the projection lines, the next thing is that we have to connect all those points by a smooth curve. Now to have that smooth curve, just type spline over the keyboard and change it to the object layer and go on connecting all those points starting from this point A. So this will be the first point, this will be the point C, this will be the point D, again point E, point B, point F, point G, point H, and again point A, like this, and hit enter button. So we have completed the third view based on this given 35-degree inclination in a HP. Now go with the single line text once again. Select text type 3 0 inclination and go on naming those points at the intersection. So this will be the point A we have over here. This will be the point B, that is nothing but the diameter. This will be the point C. Again this will be the point D, point E. Again this is nothing but the point F of the intersection, point G, and this is point H. Okay. Now if you just look out the given problem statement carefully, in the second part of this problem they have given the top view of the diameter AB. So in the top view we have the diameter AB over here. Okay, so this is nothing but the diameter AB, making 40-degree inclination with the HP. So this is going to make an angle 40-degree with respect to vertical plane. Now to copy this projection as it is, if we just copy right now by selecting this drawn top view as it is, we are unable to copy all those lines along with this diameter AB or this point HF, point G, point CE, as well as point E. Okay. Now to have all those lines, you have to draw overlapping lines over this drawn view. Okay. So I have to go with the projection layer once again. Go with the line command. In this case, we want to draw this diameter AB. Okay. So just click over this point A and draw a override line over there. Okay, from point A to B. Similarly, you have to draw a line from point HF, again from F to E, again from E to C, and from C. Once we complete all these overlapping lines, go with the copy command, select this object, hit enter button, specify a base point with which we can move this drawn object. Just click over here and press enter button to come out of this selected command. Now we have to make 40-degree angle with respect to this diameter AB. Okay, so go with the rotate command, select this object, hit enter button, and select this as a base reference point with which we can rotate this entire lamina. Okay, so just turn off this ortho mode command. So initially we have this lamina over here. Okay, if we just rotate slowly, now we are able to see that we are going to rotate it like this, okay, in an anti-clockwise direction. Now to have this AB diameter at an angle 40-degree, we have to enter 50-degree angle over here. So just enter 50-degree with respect to this horizontal line, so that we can have the 40-degree angle with respect to this diameter AB over there. Okay, go with the rotate command once again, select this lamina, hit enter button. Select this point A and just enter 40-degree angle over there. Okay, so that we can have that lamina at an inclination 40-degree with respect to vertical plane like this. So if we just measure the inclination, we will get exact 40-degree angle over there. So let me move that drawn object somewhere over here. Select this with respect to this base point, we are going to move it somewhat over here. Okay. Now if we just go for the measurement, angular measurement, there we will find angle 40 degree with respect to vertical plane like this. Okay, so this is the angle 40 degree. Now once we done with this view, we have to transfer all those points in a vertical upward direction as we have done in this case. So go with the projection layer, go with the line command, select all these points one by one and draw a vertical line which will intersect with this xy axis. Okay, select this point A, draw a vertical line. Again select this point B, draw a vertical line. Select this point C, draw a vertical line. We have to draw all those vertical lines over this xy line so that we will get all those intersection points over there. Once we're done with all these vertical projection lines starting from this point A, point B, C, D, E, F, G and H, again we have to transfer all these points getting from the front view in a horizontal manner so that we can have intersection points over there. So if we just look out the vertical line for this point A that we have over here. Okay, so if we just zoom it somewhat, this extension, this will the projection line in a vertical upward direction. Okay, and there we will get intersection point for this point A. Okay, so this is the intersection point for the point A over here. Now again, if we just transfer the point C dash H dash horizontally over this line, we will get intersection point for this point C. Okay, so this will be the intersection point for the point C, and for the point H we will get intersection point somewhat over here. Okay, so this will be the point C, and for the point H we have to refer this vertical line. Okay, so we will get point H over here and point C over here. Similarly, draw the projection line from the point D and G. So this will be the intersection point for the point G, and for the point D we have to refer this vertical line, this one. Similarly, draw the projection line from the point E and F. So we will have the point F over here. Okay, and for the point E we have to extend it till this line. Again, draw a projection line from the point B dash, and that we will get somewhat over here. Okay, like this. So if we just zoom it over here, this will be the projection line for the point D that we have to the right side of point B. So just zoom this portion. So this is the projection line for the point B, and that we have to extend in a vertical upward manner. So go with the line command once again and extend this point so that we will get intersection point over here as a point B, like this. Okay. Now we are done with all the projection lines. Now we have to go with the spline command. Okay, change this to the object layer. Now you have to locate all those intersecting points one by one. So if we just observe the projection line for the point A, so that we will have over here. Okay, so this will be the intersection point for the point A. Okay, similarly you have to go with the projection line for the point C, and that we will get somewhat over here. So this will be the point C. Again, next will be the point D, and that we will have somewhat over here. So right side line is nothing but the point D. Again, point E, and that we will have somewhat over here. So this is the projection line for the point E over here. Okay, so this is the point E. Again, point B, so that we will get somewhat over here. The left line is nothing but the intersection for the point B over here. Again, we have to find point F, so that we will get somewhat over here as a point F. Again the next point G, so that we will get over here point F and point G somewhat over here. Okay, so this will be the point G, and at the end point H, so that we will have over here point H, and again just connect it to the point A like this and hit enter button. So this is what we will get in the final position. So just trim out the extra lines that we have in a front view. Go with the trim command and just trim these lines over here. Okay, you can trim this as well. So this is the final view that we have at the end. Okay, just go with the nomenclature once again. Go with the single line text. So here we will get point A dash. So this will be the point A dash. This will be the point B that we have to the extreme left over here. So this will be the point B, B dash. Okay, this will be the point C that we will get somewhat over here to the right side. This is nothing but the point C dash. Okay, again this will be the point D over here to the right side of point B. So this will be the point D dash. This is nothing but the point E dash. This is point F dash. This is point G dash. And this is point H dash. So this is the final solution for this given problem statement. Thank you.